Hi there, this is Matthias. Today I want to talk about this Excel BI challenge for the first time in partnership with Enterprise DNA of the top 4 FIFA World Cup champions. We do have a list of all World Cup winners from 1930 Uruguay to 2018 France, and we want to rank them according to the number of wins. And we want to show as well the years of their wins. So how do we solve this ranking problem in PowerQuery? Well, there is a formula, a new formula, table at rank column, but this formula is not available in all Excel versions. It's not available in my Excel version. So I went for a different solution. I grouped, filtered, and sorted. So only 3 steps. But I wasn't happy about this solution because only the sorting step was easy. The other 2 steps had some complexity included, and that was in spite of the reduced level of difficulty, which was promised by Excel BI. So let's have a look at the issues I'm talking about. So first one here, make sure that the years of winning are concatenated. So how is this done? So first of all, the numbers of the years have to be changed to text. And that can only be done by list transform and text from. And only then text combine will work with this comma and space as a separator. So that's the first portion. And I think the second one here, this filtering logic, is a little bit more complex even. So in the second part of the logic, we want to find the 4th highest number of wins. So how to get this? So we get the times of winning of the previous step, get rid of the duplicates, sort descending, and then take the 4th element of that list. So that's written here with a 3 because lists are 0-based. So all in all, it's rather complex. And now I want to show you a step-by-step approach, which is having more steps, but it's UI supported. So let's shift this to the side and start by changing this to a table. It has, so Control T, and then because it has headers, we can just press OK. I changed the name to World Cup Champions. I pick also the table formatting out. Okay, now I can import this to the PowerQuery editor by from table range. I'll make this a bit bigger. And then the year to text. We discussed this. So text. And then I will group like we had before as well. We have to group by champion. First aggregation is fine. Count rows. We will just change the name to times of winning. The second level of aggregation here. Second aggregation or rows. And we call this years of winning. This is now the standard, what we will see here. Count and a table, but we don't want to have the complete table. We only want to have the years. So we go to the formula bar and change this portion, which is defining the complete table. And we take this out and replace it by here, column year. So now we have a list of the wins, the years of winning. And now we add 3 steps for getting the ranking. The first step is again grouping, this time by the times of winning. And we go for our rows. We call it whatever you want. I call it all. And let's sort according to the times of winning. And descending, so the top winners are on the top. And we can now add an index column starting with 1. There we can filter. We only want to have the first 4, so we go for less than 5. Good. Now let's get rid of the columns we don't need. Keep only all. And we can expand. Without the prefix, that's looking good already. So now we just have to extract the values. And we will choose here custom, comma, and a space. We're done. That's really good. Yes, there are 8 steps. And once we had to change it here a little bit in the formula bar. We had to bring in here the year column. But that's it. So it wasn't really difficult. And we can now quickly close and load. And I'll bring it to G2. So table, existing worksheet, G2, 6 rows loaded. Okay, let me fix the formatting by painting it. So that looks good. There is only one difference here in the sorting of the ties. So 4th position, there's a tie, 3 elements. Here it's originally, or it's sorted alphabetically, but that wasn't requested. And here it's now sorted by the first World Cup win, which is fine as well. If you're not happy with this, go back and add a second level of sorting for the champion. But I'm happy with this, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Thanks.